Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Twitter from your mobile application. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end without skipping it, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for Twitter on your mobile application, first make sure you've downloaded the app on your device. After you are done, tap open the application. The very first interface of Twitter would look like this. In order to create an account, tap on Create Account in blue. Next, create your account by typing in your name and move on to the next step and type in your phone number. On the next field, enter your date of birth and tap on the next button after you are done. One more time, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner and finally tap on Sign Up. The next thing you'll need to do is to verify your phone number that you just entered. Twitter will text you a verification code to the number. Tap on OK to receive it. Wait for the code to arrive via SMS, and once it does, the code has automatically been typed in. Tap on the next button after you are done, and on the next page, create a password for your Twitter account. Make sure that it is 8 characters or more for a strong password. If you want to double check your password, then you can tap on the eye icon at the right corner and reveal the password in order to double check before moving on. After you're done, tap on the next button at the bottom right. You can pick a profile picture for yourself by tapping on the upload button, and you can take a picture right now from your mobile camera or choose an existing photo from your gallery. You can even skip the step for now by tapping on Skip for Now at the bottom left. On the next page, you can describe yourself by typing in some bio for yourself. If not, you can skip the step for now by tapping on Skip for Now at the bottom left. To synchronize your contacts, you can tap on Sync Contacts to find the people you may know on Twitter. If not, tap on Not Now. You can always do this later. Select some topics you're interested in to personalize your Twitter experience from the menu and tap on the next button after you are done. You can even skip this step as well. Now here are some suggestions for you to follow on your Twitter. Tap on the follow button in order to follow an account. After you're done, tap on the follow button and there you go. You have successfully signed up for a new Twitter account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.